I'm Cody, and welcome back to Mythic Machines. Today, we are going to get back on Risky Biscuit. We're going to be fixing the A-pillars so we're removing all the pieces that are completely rusted out. You can see they're rusted through. What I haven't shown you is that I've sandblasted, so it's all clean. I cleaned all the rust off, and then I painted it with a weld-through primer. And the reason I did that is because I'm going to be cutting out all the shit here. I'm only making a new piece here that's going to fit in there. To do that, cutting this out by piece, I want to make a whole new section right here, from the bottom to the top, all the little angles and curves in one piece. So when I cut this out, I'm going to cut out it all right there. I'm going to have a whole new section of this to put in. Okay, so to replace this in one big piece like I want to, I first have to make it. In order to make it, I see this here, I got this curve. So I got this tool here that I don't remember the name of. And it's going to sit in there like this. So, see? That's made the curvature that I'm going to need. And since it only reaches down here and I want to go down here, make a little mark where it ends. And then I'll bring it to this. On the cardboard. Now, since this is my top, I know it's flat, even off. So the straight side there, make sure it's straight. Now I'm going to mark it. Right down there. So there's my curve, my line. Just need to cut it out. Before I do that, I'm going to set this dealio here, the mark I made on there, like that. I'm going to push it in. So that's the bottom of it. That's the last little corner there. Again, I line it up on my cardboard. Right where it ended. Make sure it's nice and straight. Mark it out. So that's my full curvature and everything I need for the template on this. Well, pretty useful, especially if you're doing stuff like this. So then you cut it out like this. I got this strip here. This has already been done, it's already been cut out. See, they're pretty much the same. And voila. You see that I have a template of that piece that I need. And there you go. So now I got my little template. I can mark it on my steel, or the steel that I'm going to be using, cut it out, And there you go. I have this piece right here ready to go. Alright, so here I have my new piece. Put my templates on it. Make sure it's all straight. So now I just need to cut that out, and there we go. I'll get my piece that sits there. Alright, so, see, got all the pieces that I need to cut out. And then I'll gotta clean them up with the grinder, flapper wheel, and then get the welder out and tack it all together and see what it is. Oh, I'm finally done with this section here. All I got left is to clean up the cougar welds up here, but I won't do that until I get this piece there replaced. So we can have a before and an after. Much better. It's not perfect, but it would do. It would do very well. So now I got this piece here, and I got this up here. So I'm going to cut this out, replace that. I'm going to fill in all the holes, because I'm doing something quite different with the door. But that'll be until later. See, I got my side piece all done here. Now I'm going to cut out this section where it's all rusted. Got holes and all the rust pits in there. So I'm going to cut this all out. And I'm going to make a new piece. I'm going to put that in. So when I cut this out, I'm going to try to do straight lines all the way around, nice square, so it's easy to replace. See, piece all cut out, make a template, and I'll just use this, mark my new one, get that one cut out, and then I'm ready to weld that in. Okay, see, I got my plate in, my replacement metal. See, it doesn't fit the best, got some gaps here and there, but it fits it. Those gaps aren't too bad. And I got my top little fillers in there too. So I'm all ready to weld it up. So I'm going to weld it up, weld everything, and I'm going to grind it all flat so it looks good and pretty and nice and all that good stuff. And that'll be it. And I'll be done with this one, and I'll do my other side. Same way I did this, cutting out all the rust shit, and then making it completely solid. Because I plan on putting a different style of door in it. And I don't know what I'm going to have to do, so I'm making it solid. So I'm plugging all the little door. So this is where my door hinges really went, bolted in right there and there. And then, so I'm making it solid, doing a different style door. So when I come back to do that, I have a complete full thing that I need to, so I can do whatever I need to do with. And always, I won't be showing the welding because my camera really hates bright lights. Even the plasma cutter was freaking out, so I'll show you once I get it all welded in and grind it out what it looks like. Got everything all welded in. There's some paint on it. You see I got a few spots that, feather in a little bit more. Make it nice and smooth. Here, a little right there, some more right here. Other than that, everything's pretty good looking. So, well, I ran out of paint, so I'm not going to knock this paint off just in case. I don't want nothing rusting up again. So I'm going to get more paint, finish touching up this side, do my other side, and that'll be it. And I'll be done with the pillars. So I'll get my other A panel done. Next time I see you guys, I'll be getting ready to put my A pillar panels in. So if you like what you see, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. It'd greatly help out the channel, and let me know what you guys think of this.